Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play DMZ in Call of Duty. DMZ is an exciting, open-world extraction mode where your primary goal is to complete various missions, gather valuable loot, and successfully exfil from the combat zone. You'll deploy with your squad, facing AI combatants and other player teams. Strategic planning and effective communication are key to surviving and securing your rewards. Get ready to dive into the action. Before deploying, carefully choose your operator and customize your loadout. Select primary and secondary weapons, lethal and tactical equipment, and a field upgrade that suits your playstyle. A well-balanced loadout can significantly increase your chances of survival. Don't forget to equip a self-revive kit. It can be a lifesaver when things get intense. Prepare wisely for the challenges ahead. Once in the DMZ, focus on completing faction missions to earn experience and unlock new challenges. Explore the map to find valuable items, cash, and weapon blueprints. Strongholds often contain high-tier loot but are heavily guarded. When you've gathered enough, head to an extraction point, call in the chopper, and defend the area until it arrives. Successful extraction secures your progress. For advanced play, consider a stealthy approach to avoid unnecessary conflicts, especially against other player squads. Using vehicles can provide rapid movement across the large map and a quick escape from dangerous situations. Always be aware of your surroundings and listen for enemy footsteps or vehicle sounds. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Mastering these tactics will significantly improve your DMZ success rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.